Riding in the rain. Ride sa ulan. Madulas ang kalsada, malabo ang visibility, at sa bawat galaw kailangan doble ingat. Hindi ka pwedeng magmadali. Kailangan steady lang, focus at kapit ng mahigpit sa manibela. May mga season din sa buhay na parang ganito, parang bagyo. Hindi malinaw ang direksyon, hindi mo makita ang susunod na mangyayari, at minsan natatakot ka kung makakarating ka pa ba ng ligtas. These are the moments where prayers feel heavy, answers feel delayed, at parang tahimik ang langit. Pero ang ulan sa biyaya hindi tanda na mali ang daan. Minsan bahagi lang talaga ito ng journey. Just like riding in the rain, faith is not proven when the road is easy, but when the road is uncertain. God doesn't always calm the storm immediately, but He always stays with us in the middle of it. Hindi niya laging inaalis ang ulan, pero sinasamahan niya tayo habang tinatahak natin ito. Because faith is not the absence of storms, it is the assurance of His presence. Minsan akala natin ang blessing ay kapag walang problema, pero often, the greater blessing is realizing na kahit basa tayo, pagod at kinakabahan, hindi tayo nag-iisa sa biyahe. God is not just waiting at the destination. He is present in every slippery road, every slow moment, and every cautious step forward. In Isaiah chapter 43 verse 2, it says, "When you pass through the waters, I will be with you. And through the rivers, they shall not overwhelm you." Notice, God said when, not if. Storms are certain, but so is His presence. Sa ulan, mas nagiging aware tayo sa bawat galaw. Ganon din spiritually. Storms slows us down, so we learn dependence. They teach us trust over control, prayer over panic, and surrender over self-reliance. Sometimes, God allows rainy season not to destroy us, but to deepen our faith and redirect our focus back to Him. Experienced riders know this, na kapag umuulan, hindi bilis ng takbo ang kailangan, kundi tamang balanse. Ganon din sa buhay. Kapag magulo ang season, hindi solusyon ang pilitin ang sarili na maging mabilis. Ang kailangan ay spiritual balance, prayer, trust, and patience. Kapag madilim ang daan, mas kapit tayo kay Lord. Hindi dahil mahina tayo, kundi dahil alam natin kung sino ang tunay na nag-guide sa biyahe. The rain will eventually stop. The road will clear. But the faith you learned while riding through the storm, yon ang mananatili.